cause they like to go take. My cousin for slumming his life on the way. I've been dripping since Peppers, that shit won't expire. Until the Lord give me a date. By the big stitch post, yes, straight. I don't even understand why these fuck niggas they hate on me. Me and MC Ryan Bill 60 on 270.
Big 392 back in the building, and today we reviewing a 2020 Scatty. And hey, it's the new color. I hope all y'all like, comment, and subscribe this video because this will be a banger. So make sure you turn me up.
Turn gang up, motherfucker. Know I'm with Cuz. I'm rocking with Big 392, man.
Yes, sir.
Ain't nothing but a whole lot of Big 392s around this motherfucker.
Oh God. So look, my boy OHB. Crazy Scatty. I'm talking about for the Viper rims to the bill. Yes, sir. You seen this on a couple of my YouTube, but this is what we shooting today.
Right here we're looking at 6.4 liter V8 engine pushing out
2020
for the torque, 475.
Yes, sir.
4,000 RPM for the 0 to 60 and 4.3 second for the MPG highway 24 city.
Bill.
15. Here's the sound of it.
Diffuser.
All in less than 30.
Less than 30 days.
30 motherfuckers.
Hey, we got to get some shots in the sun. Right now we in the shade. It's like 98 degrees outside.
In the shade, we still shining.
Still shining.
All right. This is my recording for the day. Well, for the hour. Now we on the wash. I don't know if you guys can see him.
That motherfucker crazy, dog.
Straight out the lot, I peel it off. Scatpack straight out the lot, no cap. My boys peeling off right behind me. In the minute we gon' be the 392 boys.
Got the paint in the sun for you. He got OCD, so he want to clean the car before we get a good walk around in this one. Yeah, she looks good. Got the 245, 45, 20s on the back. Tread almost gone. This man crazy behind the wheel. 392 Hemi pop, makes the color pop more. Let's look on it on the side. I mean, let's see it on the side of a black color. In the comments, which one would you get? Would you get black? Would you get orange? 392 Hemi. Let me know. This dude over here throwing up. His name, what's your name? Big Slat on Instagram. He get drunk out every night, can't handle his liquor.
Damn.
And he drive this goddamn car. Come to the interior. I'll sit down for you guys. He currently got 3,629 miles. He had the car for a month. So he do some driving. Slap business. To the exhaust. 2019 exhaust go crazy. Like, you don't even need a mid muffler to leave with the new one. You got the sunroof in this thing. Let's see them driver modes. Oh yeah. Put it in track.
I think that's locked.
Yeah, you want something to eat, I bet you do. You had a crazy night last night, boy. Got the Scatpack B. He need to watch the inside, man. Dude, nasty. Oh yeah, he a vlogger too, so I'm gonna drop his link in the bio to his YouTube. Make sure you tune in. The back seat, pretty normal. Got some money right there, so I'm gonna take that. Appreciate you, big dog. So, if you own this beautiful car behind me, tell me in the comments what you would do to this car, like appearance wise. I know you might make it faster and all that, but would you lower it? Would you put different rims? Me personally, these rims cool, but on this color, I'll go all black. Everything black.
Definitely going all black.
And then, if he don't, I will literally put some stripes on this bitch. Like, the stripes will go crazy. Carbon fiber stripes, black wheels. Shit, I'll color match these or keep them black if I'm gonna go with the stripes. I get the calibers. If they got black calibers, I'll go orange, same color. It'll be different, you know. So what's your plans for it? Or are you keeping quiet? They'll see.
Shit, I'm finna dress this motherfucker up right now.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Real quick, I ain't gonna do nothing too much because it's the first in the city, so.
Oh yeah. Not to mention, this is the first in the city. First color in the city. Like, you won't see it right now.
You know what I'm saying? So with that, I'm probably gonna wrap this top real quick.
Okay.
Shit, I am going black, all black rims. I'm trying to get my boy Odell XRT rims.
Alright, I'm gonna set this thing off. So you doing any performance mods or that's on the low?
Yeah, I am gonna start doing mods probably in a couple months or so. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just chill right now. And, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pop out with something stupid. You know what I'm saying? I
feel you. So you came from an RT and you in a Scat. How much big a difference is it? Like,
for real, it's that 5-speed to 8-speed difference. I ain't even gonna lie. It's like,
what about that 5.7 to 6.4 difference?
I mean, yeah.
You loving it?
Yeah.
You loving it?
Like, it could be faster though, no cap. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's like I treat it like, okay, I had the RT.
Yeah. I'm
gonna go hop in a little Scat.
Yeah.
See what it's talking about, you know what I'm saying? Get the feel of it. So when I hop in that Cat, that big 707 or 797.
Ooh, red eye.
I'll be ready for it, you know?
Let me get a couple revs. Yes, sir. And don't worry about the place. They ain't out yet, but you will be getting some. So don't worry about it.